Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Verizon account number and transfer a PIN. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I would highly recommend first just opening up the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. You need to check to make sure that your SIM is unlocked. You will not be able to get that PIN number and account number and transfer out or port out your phone number if your phone number is locked. And to be able to find that, you can tap on General here, and then tap on About at the very top. After you've done that, if I scroll down, you can see Carrier Lock here. And if you do have a carrier lock, essentially this means that you still owe money on that iPhone or Android, and you won't be able to transfer your phone number from Verizon over to a different carrier. So make sure you just pay that off first. After you've done that, all you need to do is open up a web browser. And you can see there are a couple different ways that you can get that PIN code sent to you. And one is you can open up the Verizon app, but I personally like to just open up the phone app. And you can dial, you'll be able to see here, it says pound 7678 or port. So I will dial pound 7678 and hit call. After you've done that, you'll be able to see it pops up and calls your Verizon carrier. And after you go through that step, basically it will ask you for a couple of information about your account, your account number. It might ask you for the PIN code to have access to that account. And then it will send you a text message with this PIN number. You can see it is valid only for 7 days and it's for authorized account owners only. Now keep in mind, you need two different things to be able to transfer your phone number from Verizon over to a different carrier. Your account number, one, and the PIN transfer code. After you've gotten both of those, and you either get them through the app or the website, just go to Verizon.com, you can go to the new carrier. Let's say in this case, you're transferring to US Mobile. You could type in US Mobile port in. Now, after you've done that, you can just go through the process of porting in or transferring in that phone number from Verizon over to your new carrier. Keep in mind, you do need to go through this entire process while you still have a Verizon account. So transfer your phone number from your old Verizon account to your new carrier or wireless carrier account. And after you've done that, then you can cancel your old plan through Verizon. You can cancel it, you can pay it off, all that stuff. But you do need to keep that until you transfer everything over, or else you could potentially lose your phone number. After you've gone through that process and you've entered in the IMEI number for your phone and all that stuff, you can go through and transfer that phone number. Keep in mind, after you've done all of that, you might want to press and hold the volume up and side button, and then just turn your phone completely off and then turn it back on, and you will have transferred that phone number from Verizon over to that new carrier. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.